Hey guys, Chicago injury lawyer Scott DeSalvo here, also known as My Injury Guy, shooting another video for you. And to the topic of today's video is, what is the number one most important thing to look for in an injury lawyer? Okay, so I'm saying whether you've been hurt at work or in a car crash, dog bite, bar fight, a fall down, a nursing home abuse case, medical malpractice, whatever it is, what is the number one thing you need to be looking for? Okay. So, the number one thing you need to be looking for, now, some people would say, years of experience. And I have years of experience, or an attorney who has spent their own time and money to get extra training to really be excellent at their job, which I've done. I'm a graduate of the Spence Trial Lawyer College, as well as Keenan's Edge program. Um, I would venture to say that the lawyers with both of those certifications are probably close to 1 in 1 million. Um, but maybe it's as low as 1 in 300,000 lawyers have those certifications. But that stuff is important, right? Knowing how to handle the cases is very important. But I'm going to say, based on my years of experience and speaking with literally thousands of clients, thousands of injured people, including people who, you know, for whatever reason, I didn't take their case, or they stayed with the lawyer they currently have, which is often my advice to them. And that is honesty and communication in your lawyer. So you need a lawyer. Pardon me, I think I might be getting a cold, but you're not going to catch it through the internet or through the video screen. So I'll try not to make any gross sounds during the video. My point, though, is the number one complaint about lawyers is that the lawyers don't um, keep their clients informed on what's going on. And what nobody talks about is when you call your lawyer and they aren't quite honest with you, they hold information back, or they're not familiar with their files, so they just tell you whatever's off the top of their head about the case. And, listen, I'm not going to say I've never done it, but boy, do I try hard not to do that. When somebody calls me, I look up their case. I want to look up their case. I want to be familiar with exactly what's going on. And if I need to call them back, then I tell them I need to call them back. It's just that simple. Um, that's how it works. So anyway, my point is, um, when you're looking for a lawyer for your injury case, you need a good communicator. And so the natural inclination would be like, oh, well, so if the lawyer talks to me, calls me right back when they're trying to sign me up, that must mean they're a good communicator. And a lot of lawyers are good communicators, or their their staff or their case intake coordinators are very charming. They call you back right away because they're trying to get your case signed up. But what I've heard from a lot of people is that there are lawyers out there that once they sign up your case, you never hear back from them. So how do you know whether a lawyer is really legit or not? Do they communicate? Well, one is, when you talk to them, are they a good communicator? But like we said, that can be iffy. But this is the curveball. Look at their reviews, and not just the star rating. The star rating is important too, but read the actual reviews. So I usually tell people to look at Google reviews and read the actual reviews. Do the reviews look like they're just fake that somebody paid for, with one sentence or one word or no words at all? Or does this person have reviews where people actually describe the experience working with a lawyer and it's a positive experience, right? If you have, several reviews from people who actually have spoken or dealt with the lawyer, and they say, he called me right back, he explained what happened, chances are that's going to be your experience too. There's a lot of fraud in Google reviews. There are actually companies out there who offer you for 50 or $100 to give you fake reviews. And that's actually against the Google terms of service, so I don't do it. All of my reviews are 100% legit from real human beings, but I have noticed certain law firms go from like 11 reviews and a 2.8 rating. All of a sudden they're at 4.9 with, 6,000 reviews. And, it's not hard to figure out what's going on there. But anyway, if you're looking for an injury lawyer, find a lawyer who's honest and who communicates with you. Because if they're honest and you ask them if they're experienced doing injury law, they're going to be honest with you. They're going to be honest when you ask them what they think of your case. In fact, I just had a meeting with a woman and her mother, and they had a couple of matters they wanted to discuss. And I'm going to be honest with you, I kind of let them have it. I mean, I didn't let them have it, but I was really honest with them. And I think that it surprised them. I think they're used to dealing with injury lawyers who you bring them a case and they jump up and down with excitement and want you to sign. I'd rather learn about the case a little bit and be honest with the client. And then if they want to go hire a yes man about a bad case, here's what's going to happen. They're going to hire some other lawyer. The lawyer is going to tell them it's a great case. And then in a year from now, he's going to drop the case. 2 years from now, he's going to file a lawsuit, look at the case for the first time, and realize it's a really hard case. He's probably going to, not get the outcome he's promising on sign up. And that's why I think honesty is just the best policy all the way around. The other thing is, it amazes me when people want these lawyers who are more showmanship, right? They're going to tell you what a great case it is, no matter what it is. If you have a lawyer who is, a little short in the honesty department, that lawyer eventually is going to settle your case or get a verdict on your case, and they're going to be handling your money. Anyone who handles my money, I make sure they're honest. So nothing in this video is intended to bring the legal profession into disrepute or to criticize any particular lawyer. The law profession is, I really believe, a good and noble one. And your best option if you've been hurt is to talk to a lawyer. And I really believe that. I've met a lot of people who do what I do who are very, very good at it. Pardon me, and they do a great job for people. So what I'm telling you isn't meant to dissuade you from talking to a lawyer and hiring a lawyer of your choice. But anyway, end of video. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. And if there's anything I can do for you, give me a call. Please watch till the end of the video because I have some killer tools that you can use for free that will give you information on your particular case. So watch till the end. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Take care.
Thanks for watching. If you or anyone you know has been hurt in an accident and needs a lawyer or even just has questions, give me a call anytime, day or night, at 312-500-4500. You can call me anytime, day or night, and the consultation is free. That's 312-500-4500. Or if you're not ready to talk to a lawyer, I made 2 great tools that really help people out that you can use for free on my website. The links are in the description. The first one is called the Case Cash Calculator, and it tells you what your case might be worth. The other is called the Good Case Calculator, and it tells you whether you might have a good case or you might have a case with some challenges. The best part is that they're 100% free to use on my website, and it only takes you 20 seconds flat to answer 7 multiple choice questions right off the top of your head. And then you get custom information about your particular injury situation fast and for free. So check them out, links in the description. If you enjoyed the video, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to my channel. I release 2 new videos videos every week, and this way you'll get notice of them. And if you have a question you'd like answered in a video, just leave a comment with your question in the comments section. Finally, if you enjoy my videos or if I've helped you in any way, I hope you'll consider doing me a favor. Injury law is a very competitive field, and I like having a small independent firm so I can help people who need it. People really rely on Google reviews when deciding who to hire, so I hope you'll consider leaving me a 5-star review on Google. It only takes a few seconds, but it's a favor to me that I would really appreciate. The link is in the description. You just go to that link, click 5 stars, say a kind word, hit submit, and you're done. Once again, I hope you and your family are well, and if anyone you know needs an injury lawyer or has questions, please send them my way by calling 312-500-4500. Thanks again for watching. Take care.
312-500-4500. If you got hurt, you gotta give him a try. Call my injury guy.
Call my injury guy.
312-500-4500. If you got hurt, you gotta give him a try.